guys, welcome back to my channel. So today for you I have an unboxing. I found this person on Facebook, but I just saw here that she has a website. Here's the website, you can check her out. It's easier to do it this way than Facebook because there's a lot of people on the, I think it's called Succulent, Succulent US, I can't remember what it's called on Facebook. It's Succulent, yeah, I can't remember. Anyways, but here, there you go. She has her own website, so you can check her out. It was a good deal. She had variegated pearls for $4, so I quickly jumped on that, and I hope that I picked out something that I don't already have. That was the goal. And yes, lately I've been buying more succulents, even though I shouldn't, but it is my birthday month and my anniversary month, so yes, it's hard not to, guys, especially when you find something really good. So cute. Here's her card. Put some love in every plant. Her name is Eunice. I think it's a Spanish name, Eunice. That's how you would say that. Oh, look at how cute. Look, Eonium Kiwi. Oh, so cute. This was an extra. Thank you. I don't have a lot of Aeoniums. I don't. Oh, look, they're so neatly wrapped up. I don't know the name of these. Look, with the saran wrap, that's really good. So I don't know the name, but that's a really pretty looking one. I think most of these are not going to have names. Here's this other one. I don't know if this is the elf one. It's very elf. If you guys know, let me know. Oh. Look at how pretty. I don't think this is a Lola. This is not a Lola. I don't think so. What is this? Do you guys know what this one is? It's not a Lola. It looks like a Lola, but not exactly. So I'm unsure. Look at this beautiful one right here. Look at that. Love the leaves. Looks like a beautiful rosette. And I like the little pink or red little tippies there. Super cute. Well packaged. Look how cute. Look at those variegated pearls. How pretty. Hopefully she grows really good for me. My regular pearls are by the sliding door where my variegated hearts are, and they're doing super well. So I'm hoping that this one will do super well there as well. So I'm excited about that. And that's it, guys. That's it for this haul. Thank you guys so much for coming to see this haul. Look forward to a potting video soon. Thank you guys so much for your support. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day, and check out her website if you would like. I believe these were $3. All of the, let's call them Echeveria for now, because I don't know their names. And then the variegated was $4. And that's it, guys. Thanks again. Bye.